just him blessing me with my first song. This God is real. He's real in my soul. Holiness, allow me to be in the house of God so they can protect me in my travels down from New York to Tallahassee to here, and get ready to make my drive back today. So I thank God for him protecting me. I thank God for how God was able to bless me this past week. The time spent here was not what I anticipated, but I'm thankful for the time I did have down here with my family. Thank God for my dad. They sacrificed. Through the process with me, thank God for my sister Jennifer. My dad accompanied me down in Tampa while I went to go look for a car. And I tell you one thing, I do not want to look for a car for a while. That is not a process that I'm not a fan of, but I'm thankful for it. I'm thankful for just the time, the fellowship, and God for just the whole process. And me and my dad, we prayed in the car before I went in and talked to the people, and we was able to negotiate a pretty good deal for me. So I'm thankful for that. Thank God for that. Just that natural part, right? And just thankful. Finding a way of how can I tie that into my spiritual walk, and how can I tie that into sometimes you have to, just like my sister Jim said, sometimes when you search for things in life, like a spouse or whatever, or just even the natural things, like don't just take the first thing, just really searching, and even spiritually, not being satisfied with just a feeling. Sometimes you come to church, you feel good, or you pray, you feel good, but just going like, Lord, are you in my life? Through just in a matter of 5 months, 2 incidents, and I'm so thankful for all that. Like the day before, I had posted something talking about you don't know how short life is. Literally, less than 24 hours, I got into an accident, but I'm thankful for just being able to say I'm thankful for just things that I can control, that God allows me to control, right? I thank God for my family, and sometimes you want everybody to be here, like the sister testified. You want everybody to understand you, and sometimes you see people, so close to the end, and it's like they start falling away, or they start losing focus.